I want to recommend 3 Brown and 1 Blue for YouTubers. He's just so good. And he's got me thinking. Um, Imagine for a second the reality of our situation where 10 equals 2. No, like confusion or anything. It's called binary. 10, a 1, 0, equals 2. The symbol 1, 0 from decimal is 10. In binary, it's actually 2. Okay, so what? Well, Hunimal carries with it ninimal and natimal and nevimal and niximal and nivimal and norimal and neamal and nuimal and nunimal and nintimal and gynamal and gagemal and gevimal and giximal and givimal and gorimal and giamal. So when you realize that what we're dealing with is sets of words and you get the color picture, like you can't see the color picture of me, just like a little hint of color. But this turning on Hunimal is like flipping the lights on. And then you look and it's everything, because you have a complete power up. It's kind of like how regular infinity is the lowest kind of infinity, but between two numbers is the next level of infinity infinities. When you take Hunimal and you really apply the 100 new words, more than that, 100 and what? I mean, there's 1ian, 2ian, so there's another 100 words, and then with imal as a suffix, there's Hunimal, 1imal, 2imal, 3imal, 4imal, because you've taken Greek and Latin and you've transferred it to the American Empire. And the Greek and Latin Empire, Rome, was instrumental in decimal. But it's been years. It's been millennia. It's, Rome's gone. All we have is crappy Catholics hanging out and fucking kids left. That's all we have. So Americanizing decimal leads to a huge explosion of words. And every word is a concept, and every concept contains enough information that you can really brighten your entire existence with it. It's just such an empowering feeling to realize that language is how you use it. And if you want to linguify something, you can just do it. And linguifying is nothing. Linguifitization doesn't take anything. Take any word. That's your word. So that's why niggerize is such a popular one, because it means you're taking it and you're taking the concept, and that's your concept, and it is an action. And that's what 3 brown, 1 blue taught me today, is that multiplication is the action of stretching and shrinking number lines, and in fact rotating and stretching and shrinkings and moving real complex planes. And so it's with his oldest videos are the ones I'm referring to. And I'm going to watch all of them because he is obviously a miracle sent from math. And I love him. And I can't stand myself, so I'm glad I can't do this for too long. But I just want to talk forever about Hunimation. Can we Hunimate the whole language and then just have 100 words for every word that we used to have? Can we blow up? Because right now it's just us. And so the real explosion is when the rest of the speakers of the language catch on and start using it and there's a frickin' Tower of Babel, and you're able to babble your way to a more amicable outcome. Like, I feel like there's so much potential, and yet it's so small and minor, and it's so easy to learn, and you can teach it to babies. And it just seems to me like we are grossly underestimating our potential, and we are grossly underperforming our responsibility. And that is to maximize scientific, mathematical, technological, and philosophical research and explosions of ideas. We just need to step it up. But anyway, thanks for watching. I guess I'm done with the video. Thanks for sticking with me through so many videos. I'll talk to you later.